Dhanyamala Dhara is a type of fermentation where hot dhanyamalam is poured over the body in a continuous and constant stream for a specific duration of time. The materials required for performing Dhanyamala Dhara are Dhanyamala, Galantika, hot water bath, cotton balls, covering cloth, talam, towel, dhara table. The patient is asked to sit comfortably over the droni. The body and foot is cleaned with a towel. Earplugs are inserted properly into both ears. Rasnadi talam is placed over the vertex. The patient is made to lie in supine position. Full body is covered using a thin kora cloth. Dhanyamalam is made lukewarm using a hot water bath. Temperature of the Dhanyamala is checked by pouring it over the dorsum of the hand. Lukewarm Dhanyamala is taken in Galantika and is poured onto the either side of the patient's body in a synchronized manner from a height of 12 angula. The Dhanyamalam is poured over the abdomen to hands, and hip to foot. Then the entire body is covered by pouring it in a linear pattern in a continuous and constant stream from hands to feet. The poured Dhanyamala is collected from droni in another vessel and added to the heating vessel. The temperature of the Dhanyamala is maintained throughout the procedure by reheating it in the hot water bath. The patient is then asked to lie in left lateral position with right knee flexed. The covering kora cloth is adjusted accordingly on the patient's body. The warm Dhanyamala is poured over the hand to hip by one therapist, while the other therapist covers back region to foot. Then, the patient is asked to lie in supine position. And after adjusting the covering kora cloth, same sequence of pouring the warm dhanyamla is repeated. The patient is then asked to lie in right lateral position with left knee flexed. The covering kora cloth is adjusted accordingly on the patient's body. The heated dhanyamla is poured over the hand to hip by one therapist, while the other therapist covers back region to foot. Finally, the patient is again asked to lie in supine position. And the same sequence of pouring warm dhanyamla is repeated after adjusting the covering kora cloth on the patient's body. The cloth, earplugs and talam are removed. The patient's body is cleaned with a towel. Patient is asked to take hot shower after resting for a while. Rasnadi Churna is applied over the vertex after bath.